All right, guys, I just sorted out my problem. Actually, I didn't sort it out. I don't know how it sorted itself out, but somehow it works now. All right, so the same settings are applied. So whenever you're exporting, just do so with the animation. But what I wanted to say is that I figured out how to actually export things through the time editor instead of baking them manually onto your objects. And believe it or not, I think actually I thought it was impossible because something was wrong with my FBX exporter. But basically, what you do is, right, you select your objects, and obviously you add the selected content here. But the thing is, you can actually go ahead and using the game exporter, and in this case, going through the time editor, select the clip that you want to export, and obviously, if you want to cut it apart, either do it in the time editor, or if you have a separate, like just a one timeline, and just use your regular animation clips. But in the time editor, what I wanted to show you is you add your animation clip, and just use the export selection, and your export should be your obviously your hierarchy where you want to bake your animation to, plus your mesh, which is the thing. And obviously you're going to bake the animation using Z. You don't need the input connections, and you can save the clip to a single file because you currently have only one clip. And choose obviously the destination. Currently I've got like a full combo, which I'm going to show to you in the next import, and just say half combo, let's say. And this is my name. Oh, sorry, my bad. I need to freaking use the directory. Yeah, you need to select the directory because it's looking for a directory where it's gonna export all this stuff. I'm gonna name this full combo. Look, in reality, sorry, half combo. In reality, actually, I should have renamed the clip it has as half combo, because this is just the preset for every clip. So anyway, click export, press export. It's gonna bake everything onto your skeleton, and then as you will see, once you open, let's just say open a new scene, don't save this, and import a file. Just over here in the clips bit, and go for half combo, and I'm going to play this, and you will see that it works, assuming we had 65 frames available to us. So there's the half combo, and then obviously I can go ahead and import the full combo if I wanted to, is the one that I made just to satisfy my OCD, so to speak, which is the actual full combo. There we go. And I really don't remember how many frames this thing had, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and select this. And then how many frames did that thing have? Okay, stop for a second. Stop. How many frames does this thing have? All right, so from frame 0 to frame 65. So this is like a big long combo with a bunch of bitch slaps and all that. And obviously you can, like if you find yourself that you need to create another combo, you can always create a new composition, right? And then just open the. I think you can actually grab the content browser from here, and go ahead and grab something, like in this case from the clips. And the cool thing is, I haven't done this over here, but you can actually go ahead and export with a preview like I've shown you before. I'm just gonna, let's say I'm gonna export this whole preview here. So let's say this is my animation, right? And I want to make sure that I want to use this later down the line, a bunch of bitch slaps. So let's say I'm gonna export this. My bad. So I'm going to export the selected, and I'm going to say, notice by the way that I'm using export selected, in this case I'm going to actually only export the clip. I'm not going to export, I'm not going to bake anything into the object here. All right, so I'm going to call this final combo. Okay, and I'm going to capture a thumbnail with play blast, and I'm going to put my thing over right here. My camera is going to be over here, or here to the side, or something like this, right? And I'm gonna use play blast, and I'm gonna say capture the whole damn thing, capture it, boom, 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 boom. No, I don't like this. Delete, recapture. Yeah, this makes a little bit more sense. There you go. So now you're going to save this, and then let's save this and export. So now that it's exported as an FBX, notice it's not baking anything in. If I go ahead and right now and open a new scene, and don't save this of course, and I try to import my content, obviously I'm not going to see it from the regular import workflow, but if I go here, you will notice that I have my little animation, which is very useful when you have something that, you know, even though this is called uppercut, you still want to see what the hell it means. You know, uppercut, what is that supposed to mean, uppercut? This is very handy. I believe you could cache these later down the line if you wanted to, but definitely useful. You got a preview little thingy. Obviously, this is a little bit bigger than, let's say, a regular size combo. Sorry, the regular size. This is actually a baked. Look at this file size. This is the baked one with the mesh, and this is just the clip, by the way. I want to stress this, that this is the clip. The half combo is a baked version. This is just a clip. Well, actually, in this case, these were the no, these are just the clips. Yeah. So these are only clips. This is the baked version. The combo is the baked version. Or maybe all of these are clips. I forget. But anyway, point is, if let's say I try to actually import this, I will now see the preview, which is very nice. Okay. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Just play around with these tools. We're done with animation. This is the end of animation. We're gonna go and talk about UVs in the next few videos, because UVs are important. I've already talked about it before. So anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.